What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 video. Today I just want to quickly cover this absolutely beautiful game. It is called Rytma. I've been following this game through Twitter through a lot of months already. Like I think at this point last year in summer I was already interested in this game. And it is made by only 3 people in Unreal Engine 5. I find it super inspiring and I think it looks amazing. I have talked with one of the devs and he seems super cool, super chill, and super talented. So I just wanted to share this to the world because I love showcasing new Unreal Engine 5 projects basically. So let's go ahead and just give it a quick look, right? As you can see, everything from the sand to the sky to the ocean and the rocks and the bushes look amazing. So this is like a type of music game of what I have in this tent. You can see the particles blowing in the sand in the feet. That is top. That is top notch. It looks absolutely amazing. The only thing is that it is intended to be very compressed, but it still looks amazing. I love how the water looks. It is beautiful. All the materials, you can see lumen interacting with the world here, of the reflections, this very orangey tone. The post-processing effects are crazy good. Mind-blowing. Look at this. Animations, the locomotion. I really like the aesthetic of the game, you know what I mean? It seems very calm. So I knew that the devs are using some megascan assets because of some stream that they made. One of the devs made some time ago. So for example, the bushes is and the rocks are from quixel megascans but modified, okay? To properly integrate into the game. I don't know if that's still the case. I guess it is. That was a few months ago, but look at this. The particles of the sand, the wind, the locomotion. I love it. It is truly inspiring as a dev. And all this in Unreal Engine 5, guys. By 3 people. Of course, a lot of hard work, months, and talent, but this is what you can achieve. There we go, Rytma. So I'll be leaving the dev's Twitter in the description, and also the gameplay teaser, so you can go ahead and spread some love. So that's it, guys. Like the video, subscribe if you enjoyed. Check out my Unreal Engine 5 tutorials. Join my Discord server. Follow me on my socials. Now, yes, with all that said, bye bye.